The Health Ministry will revoke the license of LC Nursing Home in Siglap after it found serious and systemic lapses in care and safety. These include failures in wound care, medication management, and infection prevention and control. Until 23rd November, when the revocation takes effect, an interim care team from Vanguard Healthcare will care for the residents. And for more on the situation, we have our reporter Noah Kong outside the home in Siglap. Now, Noah, what is going on where you are at the home?
Yes, Angela. So when we got here at about 7:45 p.m., most lights were actually still on in the nursing home and no family members have shown up since. So staff from Vanguard Healthcare were standing watch at the gate, and in fact, they actually still are sitting inside the gate. So about a dozen of them and 5 ladies in nurse scrubs have walked out of the home since then, but all have declined to speak with us. So LC Nursing Home was founded about 30 years ago here in Siglap. They aim to give round-the-clock care for seniors and even those with complex cases. But now the Health Ministry is revoking their license, and 78 residents must find new homes. So MOH said they had already found issues when checks began last November, and in June, LC Nursing Home said that they would take action to address these findings. But the problem, MOH says, and I will quote this directly, is that the plan provided by LC Nursing Home was very brief, without clear milestones set, and did not provide sufficient assurance. Now, CNA understands that families were informed about this around mid last week. Authorities have begun the arrangements for residents to find places in other homes. Now, according to a letter we saw that was sent to residents' families, the home said that the fees at most other homes are likely to be higher than at LC, but still they will help to find suitable alternative homes. But the letter makes no mention of the care and safety lapses.
Now, Noah, we know another nursing home was also very recently ordered to close. Can you tell us more?
Yes, Angela. So just 2 weeks ago, MOH announced that Windsor Convalescent Home's license will be revoked. Now, for them, the problem was lapses in resident safety, clinical and nursing care, and infection control practices. Now, we can see similarities here. Issues with resident care, medication management, and infection control. And they must also stop providing services by end October for Windsor, around the same time as LC Nursing Home. So for now, Vanguard Healthcare is overseeing the care for residents in both homes. And the latest we have found out from them is that the transfer of 25 residents is underway, and some have already been matched to other homes. Back to you at the studio.
Noah, thank you for bringing us the latest. That was our reporter, Noah Kong, live on the scene.